Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the cow pasture. We're going to take up the Arrows Husky. We've got a little bit of a cross breeze, so I'm going to see how creative I can be in my landing. And who knows, we may or may not be able to land, but or fly, but landing's guaranteed. With the idea of how well that landing is, that's up to skill. Alright, well thank you for watching. Let's see what we can do here. I'm running
time remaining 5 minutes.
A HRB Oh, lost both my skirts. Hold on. Might be a little too windy out here, so folks, hold on. Makes it easy for a field repair, which is great because that means they take the impact and pop right off instead of you damaging another part of the plane. There you go, is a good design right there. So let's try this again. All right. Now today, folks, because of the way the wind is and everything, the only thing I'm going to be doing is taking off and landing. May not be doing too much of that. Whoa. Oh man, I'm on that side of the fence. Okay, we're going to call it. having a very good day today, folks. But we're gonna try this again. Let me get over here. Folks, we're gonna call it. It's just too windy up high. Up higher. Down here low it's not bad, but up high it's way too windy, and I don't want to put the model at any more risk than I already have. So when your instincts say don't fly this model no more for the day, you need to listen to it. Alright folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That's the Arrows Husky. Don't let your strong desire to fly outweigh your common sense. Okay, props off. I've already landed once and knocked my skirts off. That was my first warning. And then up high is how I'm having a hard time keeping her straight, because even though it may be calm right here, when you get up 30-40 feet, the whole wind force is a lot different, and basically a foam plane becomes a kite, and your controls, and then you've got to overcompensate and you've got to fight it, and when you're fighting it to fly, you're not having fun. And the whole point of this is to have fun. So yes, you need to know how to handle wind, but at the same time the point of this hobby is come out and have a good time, enjoy yourself, and stress relief. And if it's stressing you, you need to stop. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And God bless you, and God bless my camera lady. Bye-bye.